What is the maritime version of Starlink for boats and yachts? It is called Starlink Maritime, a satellite internet system designed specifically for vessels operating on the water. Unlike regular Starlink setups used at homes or campsites, Starlink Maritime is built for marine environments where boats face motion, vibration, salt exposure, and changing weather conditions. For serious yacht and offshore use, the preferred hardware is the Starlink Performance Kit for boats. It is designed for permanent marine installation, stronger reliability underway, and high-performance connectivity offshore. Starlink Maritime is commonly used on yachts, charter vessels, commercial boats, and offshore workboats because it supports priority data and broader ocean coverage. Many professional yacht setups also combine Starlink with onboard Wi-Fi systems, LTE or 5G backup, and advanced routing for a more reliable experience. If your vessel needs dependable internet beyond casual coastal boating, Starlink Maritime is currently one of the strongest modern connectivity solutions available.